So, in continuation to the last class, we'll be doing some more problems on testing whether a given set of functions are functionally dependent or not. And after that, we'll see maxima and minima for functions of several variables. Okay. So I'm going to share the screen. So last class we did one problem. Okay, if u and v are given, okay, you tested whether u and v are functionally dependent or not by finding the Jacobian. Okay, so if the Jacobian is 0, then they will be functionally dependent. That means there exists some relation between u and v. The Jacobian is non-zero, they will be functionally independent. Then there is no relation between u and v. You cannot find out any relation between u and v. Okay, so in the first problem, Jacobian is 0, and with your observation, okay, you identified that u square plus v square equal to 1. Okay, this actually you have to simplify u square plus v square, you simplify and show that it is equal to 1 actually. Okay, so take the next problem. All of you note down the next problem. So problem number 2. U equal to sin x plus sin y, and v equal to sin of x plus y. Okay, so check whether u and v are functionally dependent or not. For that, what you have to do? Find Jacobian. Dou of u comma v by dou of x comma. What is that formula? Please respond. Dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou y. Okay, I just want to know whether you are there in the class or not. Just respond. So find out the partial derivatives and simplify. So dou u by dou x is cos x, dou u by dou y is cos y, dou v by dou x is cos of x plus y, dou v by dou y is cos of x plus y. Okay, so simplify it and tell me. So this is cos of x plus y into cos x minus cos. Is it 0? In general, cos x is different from cos phi. So cos x minus cos y is non-zero. Therefore, you are not identically getting 0. Therefore, Jacobian is 0. So from this, what is your conclusion? U and V are functionally
independent.
Functionally independent. Right. Shall I proceed? Third one. Note down. u equal to x plus y plus z, v equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, w equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, now we have three dependent functions in three independent variables. Therefore, what is j? Dou of u v w by dou of x y z equal to, what is it determined? Ux, uy, uz. What is the second row? Vx, vy, vz. Third row, wx, wy, wz. Okay. So what is ux? 1. Dou u by dou x is 1. What is dou u by dou y? Partial derivative of u with respect to y is 1. Dou u by dou z is 1. What is dou u by dou y? Dou v by dou x. Dou v by dou x is 3x square minus 3yz. Dou v by dou y is 3y square minus 3xz, and dou w by dou z is dou v by dou z is 3z square minus 3x. And what is wx? Dou w by dou x is 2x minus y minus z. Next 2y minus x minus z. Next dou w by dou z is 2z minus y minus x. Please simplify it and tell me the Jacobian. Just tell me whether it is 0 or non-zero. So simplification is your part. Okay, please simplify it. Okay, at the moment I'm writing the answer. Please check it later. You please fill the steps. It is just finding the determinant and simplifying. Jacobian is going to be 0. Okay, so when j is 0, what can you say about UVW? UVW are functionally dependent. Can you see the functional relation between them? Observe UVW. UV into W is equal to V. Okay,
V.
So write down functional relation. Functional relation V equals to U into W. Okay. Now, 12th one. Sorry. I will do one more problem and skip to the next one. U equal to sin inverse plus sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. And v equal to x into root of 1 minus y square plus y into root of 1 minus x square. Okay. So find j and there is a relation, find out the relation. Always write the formula first and then substitute the derivatives. So what is sin inverse x derivative? 1 by root 1 minus x square. Sin inverse y derivative with respect to x is 0. 1 by root 1 minus y square. And what is vx? Vx is root of 1 root of 1 minus y square root of 1 minus y square into, here also x is there, right? What is this derivative, tell me? Minus y by root of 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square derivative with respect to x is minus 2x. Do you agree? Similarly, what is v by minus x by 2 root of 1 minus y square into minus 2 by plus root of 1 minus x square. Find out the simplification. And then root of 1 minus x square root of 1 minus y square root of 1 minus y square plus 2x by the 2 gets cancelled, no? Root of 1 minus x square root of 1 minus x square into plus xy by root of 1 minus y square. Can you see this simplified? Are you getting 0? When I take the determinant, 1 minus x, these two gets cancelled. So 1 plus xy by root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square minus 1 minus xy by root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square. 0. Therefore, u1 are functionally dependent. So, can you see the relation between u and u?
Is equal to sin mu.
V equal to
Sin mu.
Sin mu, okay. So functional relation. I think that's a trigonometrical. You have to apply sine on both sides, right? What is it? U equal to sine inverse x plus sine inverse y. Okay. So do you have to apply sine on both sides? Can you tell me how do you establish the relation? Sine equal to sine of sine inverse x plus sine inverse y. Sine of a plus b, sine a plus sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. So this is x sine a cos b, cos of sine inverse y plus cos a sin b, cos of sine inverse x into y. Then how do you write down? Cos is 1 minus under root of 1 minus sin square. So in that case, it is going to be root of 1 minus sin square plus y into root of 1 minus sin square. Am I right? Which is b. Is it fine? So take some homework problems. Homework problems. U equal to x by y minus z. V equal to y by z minus x. Double equal to z by x minus. Second one. U equal to x plus y plus z. V equal to x square plus y square plus z square. W equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, I think you can guess the function relation. Can you tell me? Try to. Okay, first try once. We'll discuss these problems at a later stage. Try first. You all try. X y plus zx b equal to x square plus y square plus z square. W equal to x plus y plus z. Okay. Just one more. U equal to x plus y by x minus y. V equal to xy by x minus y whole square. Okay. So what is your task is find out j. If j is not equal to 0, declare that they are functionally independent. If j equal to 0, somehow try to establish the relation between U and V or relation among A, U, V, W. I think next find Jacobian of the Jacobian of yeah, this problem you do without missing. Find the Jacobian of the following transformations. Following transformations. Okay, first one, Cartesian to polar. Okay, so Cartesian to polar transformation is x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. That means you have to find out j of x comma y. Next, Cartesian to cylindrical. X equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, z equal to z. Next, Cartesian to spherical. Okay, x equal to r sin theta cos phi. Y equal to r sin theta sin phi. And z equal to r cos theta. So it's all about finding the partial derivatives, substituting the formula, simplify. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Hello.
Tell me.
Sir, should we attend the CTM class or should we continue this class, sir?
ETM class.
There's
I
a
didn't-
virtual meeting for the students of CTM, sir.
When
At 11 o'clock.
is it so? Let
Yes,
me
sir.
check the one second.